How to make her afraid of losing you. Psychological tricks. Ever wondered how to make her afraid of losing you? Not out of fear, but out of a genuine appreciation for the amazing man you are. You want her to look at you and think, he's incredible and I'd be crazy to let him go. It's about sparking that desire, that realization of your worth. In this video, we'll reveal 5 psychological tricks that will make her realize your worth and fear losing you. These aren't about manipulation, but about becoming the best version of yourself, the kind of man she can't imagine her life without. Get ready to ignite a spark in your relationship and leave her wondering, how did he get even more amazing? Confidence is magnetic. It draws people in. When you walk into a room knowing your worth, it's impossible not to notice. Women are especially drawn to this energy. It speaks of strength and capability. Have you ever seen a woman swooning over a man who's constantly second-guessing himself? Of course not. It's the man who walks with his head held high that captures her attention. This doesn't mean becoming arrogant. True confidence is quiet and understated. It's about believing in yourself and letting that belief shine through. How do you show this confidence? It's in the way you hold yourself and speak, the way you interact with others, pursue your passions, and take risks. Don't be afraid to fail. When you are confident, it sends a powerful message, I am valuable. And when she sees that you value yourself, she'll understand your worth too. She'll see a man who adds value to the world. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. Embrace your strengths and acknowledge your weaknesses. Constantly strive to be the best version of yourself. Stand tall, gentlemen. The world, and especially that special woman in your life, will take notice. Now, this doesn't mean transforming into a brooding, enigmatic figure shrouded in secrecy. This isn't about building walls or playing games. It's about maintaining an air of intrigue, a sense that there's always more to discover about you. Think of the most captivating stories, the ones that keep you on the edge of your seat. They don't reveal everything at once, do they? They unravel slowly, layer by layer, keeping you engaged, wanting more. The same principle applies to relationships. When you reveal everything about yourself too soon, you risk becoming predictable, even boring. Instead, allow her to uncover the different facets of your personality gradually. Share your passions, your dreams, your fears, but do it in a way that leaves her wanting to know more. Be open and genuine, but don't feel the need to over-explain yourself or lay all your cards on the table at once. A little bit of mystery goes a long way in keeping the spark alive. Imagine going on a date and within the first hour he's told you his entire life story, every achievement, every heartbreak. It can be overwhelming, even off-putting. Now imagine the same date, but instead he offers glimpses into his life, sharing anecdotes, experiences and thoughts that pique your interest, leaving you wanting to know more. That's the power of mystery. It's about creating a sense of depth, showing her that you're a multifaceted individual with hidden depths, waiting to be explored. And trust me, she'll be eager to embark on that journey of discovery with you. Chapter 3. Have your own life. This is crucial, gentlemen. Having your own life outside of your relationship is not only healthy, it's incredibly attractive. When you're passionate about your work, your hobbies, your personal growth, it shows her that you're a man of substance, a man with ambition and drive. It tells her that you're not reliant on her for your happiness, that you have your own sources of fulfillment. Think about it. Would you rather be with a woman who sits around waiting for you to entertain her? Or a woman who has her own interests, her own goals, her own zest for life? The same applies to you. When you have your own passions, it makes you more interesting, more engaging, and ultimately more desirable. This doesn't mean neglecting your relationship, of course. It's about finding a balance, nurturing your own growth while also investing time and effort into your connection with her. When you have your own life, it shows her that you're not clinging on to the relationship for dear life, that you're not afraid to stand on your own 2 feet. And paradoxically, this sense of independence makes you even more attractive. So pursue your passions, gentlemen. Dive headfirst into your work. Explore new hobbies. Challenge yourself to grow. Not only will this make you a more well-rounded and interesting individual, but it will also make you irresistible to her. Chapter 4, be unpredictable. Now, this doesn't mean turning into a chaotic force of nature, constantly keeping her on edge. It's about injecting a healthy dose of spontaneity into the relationship, keeping her guessing, keeping her excited about what might come next. Relationships thrive on novelty, on shared experiences that break the monotony of everyday life. When you're predictable, when she knows exactly what to expect from you day in and day out, it can lead to boredom, even resentment. Instead, surprise her with spontaneous gestures, thoughtful gifts, or unexpected adventures. It doesn't have to be extravagant, it's the thought that counts. Plan a surprise date night, whisk her away for a weekend getaway, or simply show up at her doorstep with her favorite takeout after a long day. These small acts of spontaneity go a long way in keeping the spark alive. Think about the early days of your relationship, the excitement of getting to know each other, the thrill of the unknown. You can recapture that magic by injecting a little bit of unpredictability into your interactions. When you're unpredictable, you keep her on her toes. You show her that you're not afraid to step outside of your comfort zone, to shake things up, to keep things interesting. And trust me, that's a quality that she'll find incredibly attractive. Chapter 5, Show Appreciation. This seems like a no-brainer, right? Yet so many men forget the importance of expressing their appreciation for the women in their lives. When you consistently show her that you value her, that you appreciate her presence in your life, it creates a deep sense of security and fulfillment. Think about it. Everyone wants to feel valued, appreciated, and loved. It's a fundamental human need. And when those needs are met, it creates a powerful bond, a sense of connection that's hard to break. So how do you show appreciation? It's the small gestures, the thoughtful words, the genuine compliments. It's about noticing the little things she does and expressing your gratitude. Tell her how much you appreciate her support, her sense of humor, her intelligence, her kindness. Remind her of the qualities that drew you to her in the first place. When you make her feel seen, heard, and appreciated, you create a safe and loving space for her to thrive. And when she feels this level of comfort and security with you, the thought of losing that will be terrifying. Remember, gentlemen, relationships are about nurturing each other, supporting each other, and making each other feel loved and appreciated. So make the effort, show her how much she means to you, and watch your bond grow stronger with each passing day. Outro, make her see your worth. There you have it, gentlemen. 5 powerful psychological tricks that will make her afraid of losing you. Remember, these aren't about manipulation or playing games. They're about becoming the best version of yourself, the kind of man who is confident, intriguing, and genuinely appreciative. When you embody these qualities, you become irresistible. You create a dynamic and fulfilling relationship where she feels valued, cherished, and excited about the future. So go out there and be amazing. Show her what she stands to lose, and watch your bond grow stronger than ever before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship tips.